This is Arishin testnet, and Arishin has successfully raised $10 million for their testnet activities, which means there's a potential of you having up to $1,000 before TGE. At TGE, I mean. Now, this is the process for you to start the Arishin testnet. First of all, I'll drop the link to download the app for iOS and Android in the description of this video, and I'll also drop a link to register. Then I'll drop my code also so that you can get a bonus point when registering. Now, after registration, you will have an home page like this. What you need to do is to do the Twitter task, which I've done, then do daily checking, then you answer the daily quiz, which I usually drop in my channel daily. For you to get access to my channel, just check the description of this video, all the pinned comments. You will see the link to my Telegram and my WhatsApp group there for you to join. You can join the two. I prefer for you to join the two. Then after doing those tasks, these daily tasks, you need to come and do them every day. Then you come to this general tasks and do all the tasks here. You follow for this first task, you need to follow this person on X, which was formerly Twitter. Then for this task, you visit a region, then you join Discord, you do all the tasks here. Then you come to collaboration here, which is collabs. Then you do the task here. You can see my task is currently processing, which I have done. Now that is all you have to do for this enriching test. This testnet is listing, I think, in April, so you have to act fast for you to maximize your points.